Hello students, today I am going to discuss topic number 8 of periodic table. This is my lecture number 4. In this topic we will discuss division of periodic table into S, P, D and F blocks. Means in this topic we will discuss how elements are classified into different blocks. The elements showing similar trends of filling orbitals can be grouped together into blocks, and the entire periodic table can be divided into the following 4 blocks. The division of elements into blocks depends upon the similarity in electronic configuration or filling of similar orbitals. There are 4 types of blocks, or there are 4 types of elements according to blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. First of all, S block elements. S block elements. Elements in which last electron enters into s orbital are called S block elements. Means if last electrons is present in s orbital, then the elements is known as s block elements. Elements present in this block have electronic configuration either ns1 or ns2. If ns1, then the group of element will be group 1, and that is called alkali metals. If ns2, then the group of elements will be group 2, that is called alkaline earth metals. P block elements. Elements in which last electron enters into p orbital are called p block element. This block contains element of group 13 to 18. If last electron enters into p orbital, then the elements are called p block elements. These elements are present in group 13 to 18. After that, elements have electronic configuration of the type ns2 np1 to 6. If ns2 np1, then group will be 13 and known as boron family, because the first element of this group is boron. If ns2 np2, then group will be 14. This is called carbon family, because carbon is the first element of this group. ns2 np3, group 15, nitrogen family. ns2 np4, group 16, oxygen family. ns2 np5, group 17, halogens. ns2 np6, group 18, noble gases. D block elements. Elements in which last electron enters into d orbital are called d block elements. This block contains elements of group 3 to 12. The elements have electronic configuration n-1 d1 to 10, ns1 or 2. Then F block elements. Elements in which last electron enters into f orbital are called F block element. This block consists of lanthanoid. If last electron enters into 4f block, the element is known as lanthanoid. And actinoid, if last electron enters into 5f orbital, then it is called actinoid. All F block elements are present in group 3. The electronic configuration is n-2 f1 to 14, 1 to 14, n-1 d0 to 1 and ns2. Okay, thank you.